part of the forest, it suffers. It's feeding on the city's life energy.
Quack softly.
Quack softly.
We've got this!
Quack!
We're here to help, not fight.
Quack!
Stay calm.
It's just scared.
Careful!
Quack, 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 quack!
Keep moving.
Quack!
That didn't work. We need another way.
Quack!
We've got to control this. Stay sharp.
Quack, quack, quack!
Gotcha. Gotcha. Stay close.
We keep everyone safe first!
We move together. Look, it's afraid of the central crystals. Quacks softly.
We do this carefully. No sudden moves.
We face this together.
Quack!
Hold steady, Pen. Stay sharp. We move with the flow.
Quack, 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 quack!
Hold on, everyone.
Quack, quack!
It's okay. We understand now.
Quack!
This is the source of everything.
Quack! Whimper!
It's not you! It's the crystal! We can help!
Quack, quack! Whimper!
Whimper! We stop.
We understand. We're here to help. You're safe.
Quack! Chirp!
We move together. You're safe here.
Quack! Quack, quack! Quack, quack, quack! Chirp!
It's okay. Balance is coming back.
Quack!
Chirp. See? Everything's okay now. Balance is back.
Quack! Quack!
Chirp.
We're friends now!
Quack!
Chirp. Everything's coming back.
We did it, Pen!
Quack. Citizens. We make a good team.
Quack!
Everything feels alive again.
Quack!
The adventure never ends.
Quack!